Hey, it's Dave Extra here. Got a forecast update for you. Thanks for checking things out at WXYZ.com. You can see the rain accumulating from northwest to southeast. Some spots got around an inch here with the thunderstorms moving through second half of the day here on Tuesday. Now there's enough moisture there with lighter winds overnight. There might be a little fog. This is our fog product. The deeper, darker grays mean the better chances of fog, but you see how quickly it gets out of here. If you run into it Wednesday morning, shouldn't last very long. Then we're talking sunshine for quite a while. So 59 in Detroit, clouds decrease, fog chance here and there, especially on the north and west side, I guess. A little heavier rain there, especially in Santa Like and St. Clair County. 82 on Wednesday, mostly sunny skies, a little north wind around 5 to 10. More sun Thursday and Friday and Saturday, much of Sunday as well. Late in the day, a slight chance for a shower or a thunderstorm. That's a nice stretch coming up. It does get warmer. 82 Wednesday, 88 over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. I think especially by Sunday, you start to feel the steam a little bit more.